LV representing for One Jamaica TV, and we are here with.
Cora.
So, Secure, the first question I want to ask you is how can we as Jamaican make Jamaica a safer place?
All right. To be our brother's keeper, for one, and to learn how to pay it forward, paying kindness with kindness, And I believe that the reason why I said to be our brother's keeper because I feel like Jamaican people, we don't have the mindset to entertain proper opportunity then. You understand what I mean? Because we grew up with such a mentality. Most of us we grew up with such a mentality. It's hard for us to really look into ourselves and say, "Yeah, mama can do this. I'm gonna do it and become successful." You know what I mean? And because we don't have the right, some of us don't have the right mindset. We turn to the easiest route in order to get financial stability, and it always ends up in crime and violence.
So, what do you think that we as the Jamaican people now could do to make Jamaica a safer place?
Like I said in the beginning, to be our brother's keeper, each one teach one, and to entertain positive outcomes, pay it forward, um, teach good mental state, help us, because sometimes we have friends that are in their house struggling with depression, how we are going to get it home, we are going to make it out, and there's no one there to really sit down and talk to them in their language. You understand? Sometimes it's in their language. They can say a bag of positive things, but if they don't understand what they're saying, it's not going to make sense.
That's true.
So you have to learn also how to speak in their language for them to grasp mentally and say, you know what, you're right. I'm gonna start one day at a time. I'll get up and see if I can go sweep up a yard and get all of 5 bills. And as you that I motivate myself and every day I'm gonna check it's June, Father, Thompson, and just accumulate until I figure out how to make it better step by step.
I know since you've been talking, you even motivated me. So, I wanted to ask you if you can get 30 seconds to just motivate the youth of Jamaica.
Pray. None of us is better than prayer. You understand? And seek a friend that speak your language. Importantly, seek a friend that also speaks your language, like Miss June. But talk to Miss June, boy, Miss June. Some day up on my face, and me not really want to be a burden, but if they can share that advice or something of the sort, everybody willing to help. You just have to come out and ask for it. The Bible say, "Ask and it shall be given," but mostly pray. And never you tell your business to a person